Hi friends, today I is for ice cream, and I want to apologize ahead of time. They're doing construction right in front of my house, so we may hear some noises. But what you're going to need to make some ice cream in a bag is a quarter cup of salt, just regular table salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, just regular granulated sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of half and half, and ice. And you're going to need 2 Ziploc bags. The original directions tell us 1 big bag and 1 smaller bag, but I was nervous all the ingredients weren't going to fit in a sandwich size bag, and I don't have a quart, so I'm just using 2 large freezer bags. So what we're going to do first in the first bag is I'm going to put my 1 cup of half and half. So I already measured 1 cup, and moms and dads are going to have to help with the measurements, but maybe the students can help pour the ingredients in. So we're going to put 1 cup of half and half. Then we're going to put in 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. So I have 1 tablespoon. And then here is 1/2 of a tablespoon. I'm using 2 different measurements. And dog hair. Then we're going to add the sugar. So we have 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon. Then we mix it up. So to mix, we're going to make sure it's sealed super, super tight. Super, super tight. And then once you've kind of perfected this, you could probably add in like powdered cocoa, like that Hershey cocoa mix, like chocolate ice cream. So once this is sealed super, super tight, you want to make sure you get, especially because I'm using a bigger bag. Let's see if you can see. I'm going to make sure I get a lot of air out of it so it fits in the other bag. So once this is done, I'm going to take my other big freezer bag and I'm going to fill it with ice. And I just took the ice right from my freezer. Now you do want to make sure, I do have oven mitts, but you want gloves or something on your hands to protect your hands when we go to shake. So we definitely put more ice on the bottom, a little bit more. Okay, and once we have our ice, we're going to add 1/4 cup of salt. Now the salt and the ice create a chemical reaction, put the lid on, to freeze the ingredients that we put in the first bag. So I have 1/4 cup, oh my goodness, of salt. Next, I'm going to put my bag of ingredients inside the bigger bag, and I'm going to top that with more ice. So I put probably 3 more handfuls of ice on top of the ingredients, the bag of ingredients. I'm going to make sure this is really close because I don't want salt all over the floor. Now I'm going to grab my oven mitts or gloves. I would make sure they were winter gloves, not kind of like the latex gloves we're wearing in the stores, to protect your hands. This is actually kind of difficult. And you're going to shake. So you're going to shake, shake, shake. Make sure the ice gets all around our bag of ingredients. Okay, so there was a hole in my bag. So I put it in another bag, and I can hold the part that isn't containing the ice, and I can shake it that way. So, I mean, you decide what's best for you. And we're just going to shake. Okay, so I've been shaking this bag for like 7 minutes on and off. So let's say like 5 minutes of good shaking. And I have a towel. Let's see how this turned out. Feels harder. Put that over there. I mean, it doesn't really look like ice cream. It smells like ice cream though. So if I pull this out, oh, the bottom's very frozen. So let's see. So I'll just grab some of the crumbles. Definitely ice cream. I'd say this experiment was a success. I can't wait to see you guys try it on your own. Let me know how it goes.